Alright guys, so the backside of the board is complete, and I have the amp powered up right now. You could hear music coming out of it. So everything's working. Okay, so I have the layer of conformal coating everywhere. These are the negative runs directly to the IGBTs, and here we have the positive. We could see we have pure 8-gauge copper directly to the IGBTs itself. The conformal coating on the gate pins and all of the 12-volt circuitry will ensure that any stray conductive material, whether that's solder balls or external copper strands or something coming into the amp, is not going to cause another short in the future. So that's a layer of protection we now have. This is the acrylic conformal coating I used. I'm also going to be adding this electronic grade silicone for vibration protection. So as I mentioned, where we have positive and negative wires, adding electronic grade silicone here. So here's what that silicone looks like. Again, this will prevent this from moving at all with vibration, and the positive and negative won't be touching. Again, this is spray liquid electrical tape. So this is the backside of the board. All the copper rails, the conformal coating, the electronic grade silicone, and the spray electrical tape ready to go. You're also probably wondering whether the copper rails are going to short to the aluminum case. And the answer, no, they don't. Actually made sure that was the case before I started with my design. So there's plenty of room, and again, the silicone, the acrylic conformal coating, and the spray paint is also all going to help, even though this is already grounded. Tune in for the next video where I flip this over and I do similar type of work for the other side of the board, where I have the big rails going out into the inductors that go out to the speakers. Because this is a full bridge, basically we have positive, negative going to the IGBTs, coming out through the inductors out to the speakers. So there's a full circuit. And I need to make sure that the copper rails are on both sides. That way we have the same ampacity rating for all of the connections, and not just one.